It's part 2.
Halfway ba yun? Paano naging halfway?
Wait, halfway sila sa San Fernando.
Halfway talaga yun?
It's part 2 of the video, and that's me. You can see her na part 1 if you didn't see her.
San Fernando, 100 na.
And that's Melo.
Kasi doon ang daan. Kasi may ibang daan pagbabataan, di ba?
Melo ka!
Pag ayaw mo mag-walk 200 kilometers,
By the way, subscribe to our second
Sakay din ng
channel.
ferry.
I'm gonna tag.
Bas si Gerald pag hindi
I'm gonna tag it.
susundin ni
Pag
Alvin.
gusto niya nga,
I'm gonna tag
yung biyahe
our
niya,
second
40
channel.
minutes siya.
And actually, it was my name. I
Pagdating
cannot.
ni Gerald ng ano,
It was my name.
Pasay,
It's my name there.
Siguro ano rin, nasa mga
Name there.
taas.
Actually, that was my the name of the username. It's me underscore Shaira Marie.
O, dyan lang. Yun yung biyahe nila.
That one. So I cannot do that.
Nung birthday ni Shotax niya, nung June. June ba
So so we do some.
Nakadilaw.
Pinapalitan
Ganun talaga.
Parang Chinese family.
Ano sila, kailangan mamit naman in-check. Mamit naman ni Tutoy yung ano. Kay Tutoy Budlak, sa Ilocano in-check.
So that person.
Alam mo dyan, sa Ilocano kasi, yung mama ng Ilocano na in-check. Sabi ko,
Is it kinda dark here? Sorry if it's dark. We're in the car right now. Not a taxi, but our car.
Tayo na lang lumipat pa siguro sa
Tarantado talaga tong kapatid mo. Sabi niya,
Wait lang. Wait, guys. I'm gonna do something. Wait, hold on. Okay, I was done doing
Wala ka
something.
lang sa lahi.
Today, we're gonna. I'm just gonna tag the person. I mean our second channel. Sorry if I said person. I'm gonna tag the second person right now.
bago nagsingin sa
I'm gonna tag them.
napagano ako bigla. Wala
I'm gonna tag their account. I'm gonna tag their account.
Sila lang.
Our account. I'm gonna
Sabi ng nanay
tag
niya, parang kilala
our
ka,
account.
parating ka na sa bahay. Parang sabi ko, siya
I think the
sama niyo si Lolo. Tapos, andyan
I
na yung tatay
think
mo.
I will
Ate, nakukulat yung parents niya, ba't kilala ka ng kapatid?
I will put the second. I will tag the second account and
Magugulat talaga yun siya.
I'm gonna just and subscribe to there because some videos are gonna post by there. And I post my first video. It was a cat. It was my cat, and the other cat was also my cat. And another one is me in a volcano in Tagaytay in Philippines. It's called Taal.
Kasi daw may asosasyon. Kumbaga, hawakan.
By the way, please comment happy birthday Melo today. It's okay if you're late. It's okay. And you can also say happy birthday in part 4 and part 3 and part 5 to Melo and also part 1. You can tell them happy birthday. This is actually part 2. You can see it.
Wala pa yan. Ako mag-enter
You can see it in the caption. It says Melo's birthday part 2.
Yan, gampang.
I call him Melo or RV sometimes.
Kami kanina
So I'm gonna show you guys to Melo. Melo, do you want to see?
Dumana tayo ng Kuresa.
Melo, they say happy birthday. Say thank you for the
tayo, gusto talaga natin ng
He
sumunod.
said thank you because you guys said happy birthday to him.
Pero
You can say happy birthday Melo or happy birthday RB. Thank you guys.
yan naman kasi mga yan, mga enforcer na yan.
So this is end of part 2. Part 3 is we're going to the gorilla now. Bye bye.